Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to change the battery in a wireless mouse. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is a wireless mouse, and this is just one example of a wireless mouse that you may have or may find or may want to buy. There are many different options out there, but most of them are going to be very similar in how you change the battery. So they connect wirelessly to your computer, PC, or laptop, and that's why they require a battery, because there's no way to give them power other than the battery. If you flip it upside down, you're likely going to see a battery compartment on the bottom. Now you're going to see probably an on and off switch, a laser if it's a laser mouse, which it usually is going to be nowadays, and then a battery compartment. What you want to do is open up that battery compartment just like that, slide the cover off. You're going to see the batteries right over there, and it might show you on the cover the orientation of the batteries or in there underneath the batteries themselves, but either way you should probably know how they go in anyways. So to take them out, you're going to use your finger or some sort of small tool to remove them just like that. Okay, pull them out. And you want to replace them with new batteries, which, like I said, these ones still work, so I'm just going to put them back in. So put the new batteries in there in the right orientation. It shows over there for this mouse right here. Just like that, slide your cover back on, and you should be good to go. Don't be afraid to turn the mouse on, which obviously you're not afraid to do, but don't forget to turn the mouse on, because you might think that the batteries are out and it doesn't work, when in reality you just need to turn it on. So be sure that you're turning it on once you've replaced the batteries as well. And that said, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.